Oh, we're gonna get it going again. You bet. Things to clean up, organize, and we're gonna go hit the water. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. What is up, everybody? If you're just tuning in, you know what we're about ready to go do. If you already subscribed to the channel, you've probably already seen, hopefully, video getting a couple things rigged up. We've got a specific goal today, and that is to catch them on a drop shot. I'm gonna get a good little selection of worms for that. Some stuff I've already got rigged up, as well as some stuff I'm gonna throw in the day box. Like I said, if you've already subscribed, you've already seen the video where I kind of go through a bunch of that tackle and rig some of this stuff up. So get ready. We're gonna get loaded up. We're gonna go hit the water. I hope you stick around. Appreciate you joining in today, and we'll see you out there. That ain't gonna be fun. Alright guys, I've been out here for a little bit, thrown this color about a dozen times. Just trying these Berkeley power worms on a spot that I always catch a couple. I wanted to start one off by catching a fish and then move over to the area where should be primed for a drop shot. Should be. You know how that goes. So we'll give him the watermelon action. See what happens. We got a hit, but no takers. There we go, little guy. What are you swimming towards me for? Oh, almost sent this dude to the moon. What are you doing? Well, there's a 8-inch fish on a 8-inch worm. Hey, hey. The quicker you relax, the quicker we can get this over with. Yeah, I know. You hooked it right up your snooter. Look at that. What is that? About same size as the worm. Hey. Alright, man. Get you out of here. Hey, let go of my thumb, dude. Crazy fish. Alright. Once you get out of them rocks, it's game over. There ain't nothing out there. Get my trolling motor fighting this wind. There we go, some bites. Oh, right out of his mouth. What are you doing, man? Quit nibbling on this damn thing and eat it. Whew. Turn my trolling motor down a little bit. Oh, got some bites. There you reposition there. We're gonna throw a bladed jig. A mini max with a divine swim bait on it. I need to turn around. Sweetie, you got another spot to go to. Hi-ho, silver away. Let's go. Man, already snagged. That's why I have such a tough time with fishing drop shot. I guess I just don't. There it goes. I guess my, like, the way that I feel it, I guess. I don't know. I have the sensitivity for it. I get snagged all the time. Like right now, I'd much rather be throwing a shaky head. Bopping it around through the structure and whatnot down there. Maybe I need something a little tinier. I mean, that's a good little size, right? Kind of let that swing down into place. I don't know. Now, if you watched my other videos, you saw that I talked about the different ways that you can rig this up, and so I always see these guys, these little danglers, little pink danglers. Okay, so we're gonna give them a little pink dangler, and we're gonna see what they do with it. Get that on there. I'm gonna fake Texas rig it on a wacky hook, but if you bite onto that, you're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. So we'll see. Gonna make sure we're in the right place real quick. Cruise around. Like a little ledge here, something. I mean, certainly things on the graph. It says that there's fish. Ain't moving no faster than the wind's pushing us, so this definitely is a little bit tougher on a kayak because I don't have any way to stay in one place. Man, look at him bouncing around in there. Yeah, I got a couple hits, but where it was, they were tiny. Now we are snagged. Let's go deal with that. There it goes. What did it do? Oh, bit the worm, didn't take the worm. Come on, man. Gotta commit. You gotta commit, dude. Getting bites, but nothing grabbing it. Change this up a little bit. I'm gonna float back over this. But what I need to do is rig up a better worm. So what we're gonna do here right quick is get it rigged up, and I'll be right back. Some big fish down there. I just don't know what they are. We'll see. Alright, it's dark. I can't see no more. I am gonna get back to the ramp. And look at that little pond, all that bait up in there. And that's it. Just bait. Come on, man. Come on. This dude to the moon. Ain't his ass out the water. Alright. Punk rock. Tiny little dude too, boy. Got me messed up. Little baby. I don't know if you can see it, but he's tiny. Whoop. Let's see. This ain't gonna be no Justin Royal 5 makes a video, because it's dark. It's getting cold already. I don't know if it was recording that. It was funny though. I about yanked that dude 10 feet out of the water. Can't see my bait. I know it's on there. That's about all I know. Is that my bait is on there. And my battery's about to die. It says we got like no % left. Well, that's all she wrote today. Sorry at 8 o'clock. Nothing but them little guys. Nothing on the drop shot. So, if you're still here, appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button.
Let me know what you would have done different down in the comments, and we'll catch you next time.